Your generator is an essential tool for keeping the lights on, the appliances running, and your home or workplace powered. But are you doing enough to protect it? Generators are often exposed to harsh elements rain, snow, dust, and more. Over time, these can take a serious toll on your equipment. That's why a high quality outdoor cover is a must for any generator. Let's take a look at why it's essential. First, weather protection. Rain and snow can cause moisture buildup, leading to rust and electrical damage. A cover shields your generator, keeping it dry and operational no matter the weather. And then there's debris. Leaves, dust, and dirt can clog vents and filters, hindering performance. With a cover, you prevent debris from accumulating, helping your generator stay in peak condition. Using a cover can significantly extend your generator's lifespan, reducing wear and tear on vital components and ensuring it's ready whenever you need it. It also protects the electrical components from potential water damage, preventing dangerous malfunctions or costly repairs. And don't forget the critters. Small animals and insects can easily get inside uncovered equipment, damaging wiring and causing other issues. A cover keeps them out and your generator safe. Routine maintenance becomes much easier too. A clean, well-protected generator means fewer headaches during inspections and repairs. At the end of the day, protecting your generator with an outdoor cover ensures it runs efficiently, lasts longer, and is always ready when you need it most. So, why take the risk? Invest in a durable outdoor cover and give your generator the protection it deserves, rain or shine. Protect your power. Protect your investment.